Whatever you are doing, you are assuming that it's cause and effect. That means you do this, that will happen. And it can happen today, tomorrow, weeks, months, or years later. Many times you get impatient because you are not getting results immediately or based on your expectations. Sometimes you don't even get any results and you think that whatever you did was a waste of time. But it's not like that. You already got the results of your actions immediately. It's just that you are not able to see it. Karma is not only about what happens after you have performed an action, it's also about what changes inside you. Walking on the road dropped their wallet full of money. The other person saw it and gave back their wallet, and that person said, "Thank you so much." On the other hand, someone walking on the road dropped their wallet full of money, and the other person saw it but did not give back their wallet. No one noticed. The world outside did not change. Even the person whose wallet was lost will forget after few days. So one person gave back their wallet and the other person did not. In both the cases, one thing is common. The mind of the person watches everything and it remembers. Every karma itself is a reward or the opposite of it based on the type of action you are performing. Every karma is making a change inside you, and that change is influencing your next karma, just like a domino effect. The more number of time a karma is repeated, the bigger the change is inside you, and after some times it becomes a part of you. But what is the science behind it? According to Hebb's law, neurons that fire together wire together. Whenever you do something new, a neural pathway for that specific action is being created in your brain, and the pathway gets stronger whenever you repeat that action. That's why when you do something new, initially it is difficult, and after repeating again and again, it becomes easy for you to do that task. It does not only applies to the action, it also applies to the thought. If you keep on repeating same thought again and again, the neural pathway for that specific thought gets stronger and your brain will start believing it even if that thought is not true. But that's not the shocking part. The shocking part is that it impacts your action. If you keep thinking that you are not good enough, your brain will believe that and you will perform actions in alignment with that belief, and the result of that action will make the belief more stronger. But if you keep thinking that you are confident, your brain will believe that and you will perform actions in alignment with that belief, and the result of that action will make the belief stronger. It does not matter which action you do or which thought you think, the result is immediate. The more times you repeat an action or thought, the easier it becomes for you to repeat that action or thought next time. I truly believe that God is really kind, and thanks to neuroplasticity and neuroscience, the good news is you can change your brain anytime and yourself. That will eventually change your karma. When you respond differently, you are breaking the cycle of karma. But how does it really happen? The first step is awareness. Have you observed yourself thinking about some thought, patterns, or the past action? That's awareness, and it observes everything. Deep breathing, practicing yoga, meditation can help you stay present, and when you are present, you start observing your thoughts, patterns, habits, and you become aware of them. Awareness is very important because if you don't know what is wrong, then you cannot fix it. The second step is replacing old action with the new action. Assume someone gets irritated whenever there is traffic. Their reaction is not changing the outside world, it is only changing their brain, and it becomes easier for them to repeat that reaction next time. Now the person becomes aware of their triggers and decides to take a deep breath instead of reacting. When you stop repeating some thought or action, the neural pathways associated with those thought or action becomes weak, and instead of that, if you repeat new thought or action, then new neural pathways will be created, and it will get stronger whenever you repeat new thought or action. And next time it becomes easy for you to respond differently. That's how you break the domino effect of the actions that are not good for you and your life. My mom used to say that no karma is wasted. Even if you don't see any results in the outside world, the change has already happened inside you, and that will influence you in the future. I recently started this YouTube channel, and even if I'm not getting any subscribers or views, then it does not mean that all my hard work is wasted. Creating content is helping me build discipline, habits, willpower that will help me in all the areas of my life. In the same way, you have already received the fruits of your action, it's just that you cannot see it. Of course, you cannot control many situations in life like childhood trauma, heartbreaks, family issues. But what you can control is your action in the present moment. You have the free will to choose how you think, how you feel, and how you act in the present moment, and that is going to impact your karma in the future. Changing your karma will change your life, and you will never know if you do not try. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.